Good morning, everyone. How are you, dear children? I hope you all are great. So, my dear kids, today we are going to learn bird's name. Today we will learn how to write bird's name in our notebook. First, we will learn how to write date. After that, we will write bird's name. So, be ready with your notebook. Yes, children, let's learn how to write bird's name. How to write bird's name. But before learning the bird's name, we will learn how to write date in our notebook. So, we will start our work from very first line. On the first line, we always write date. So, can you tell me what date is today? Today is 19. So, we will write a date like this. 1 9 19 November. N O V. November month is going on. We will write in short 19 November. You all will write like this, and right side of the notebook we will write C dot W dot, it means class work. At this time we are doing our class work. From the left side of the page we will write the date in 3 lines like this, and right side of the page we will write CW, it means class work. And then on the next line we will write our topic bird's name. On the first line we will write date and class work. In second line we will write our topic bird's name. Now let's write bird's name. We will start writing from third line. Okay, 1 2 and 3, third line. Bird's name. Say O W L owl. O W L owl. H E N hen. H E N hen. C R O W crow. C R O W crow. C O C K cock. C O C K cock. Now the next bird will write duck. D U C K duck. DUCK duck. The next one P E PEA P C O CK cock. Peacock. 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 OWL owl. Owl means ullu. Owl means ullu. HEN hen. HEN hen. Hen means murgi. Hen means murgi. CROW crow. CROW crow. Crow means kawa. Kawa. COCK cock. COCK cock. Cock means murga. Cock means murga. DUCK duck. DUCK duck. Duck means buttock. Buttock. The next and last is PEAP COCK cock. Peacock. 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 Peacock means more. Peacock means more. So children, these all are birds' name. You all will say aloud them and write neat and clean in your notebook. Say and write bird's name in your notebook with the clean and beautiful handwriting. Okay, children? Very good, children. Do your work in your notebook and send it to me. Goodbye.